Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf with day 20 of FrekiFitVember. All right, everybody, how are you doing? It is Friday. This week, despite everything going on, this week has really flown by for me. I am amazed that it's already Friday. Like, wow. Oh, that person's going through a red light. So yeah, anyway, I forgot to record this morning, so I'm recording and I'm actually almost home, so let's see what I gotta say, if I can say it before I get home. I don't have a ton. First of all, comment down below, let me know what exercises you're doing, or on my Facebook group. Either way, whichever way you prefer. I am not 100% decided yet. Yesterday I did some strength training with resistant bands, that type of stuff, after I uploaded my video. Today I'm not 100% sure what I want to do. I still am kind of debating on telling my roommate to go for a walk so that I can do stuff more easily without him there, like making it awkward. Not that he's purposely trying to make it awkward, but you know what I mean. I already talked about that. So I haven't fully decided. I'm more concerned with food because I'm like really, really hungry, which is weird because I ate breakfast like I normally do, nothing out of the ordinary, but I am just hungry. So I did stop and grab a rotisserie chicken. I grabbed pork steak, which I kind of wonder. I've heard that pork steak is just a St. Louis thing. It's not pork chops. It's not, I don't know other pork stuff, but pork steak. I think it's just a St. Louis thing. Even when I look it up in the iTrack Bites thing, it's not listed, at least not this particular way. It's like shoulder cut, blah, 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 blah. So I'm kind of curious. I'm going to look up nutritional information and just add it in myself. But let me know, is pork steak a thing in other places? St. Louis has so many weird, unique foods that's just a St. Louis thing. It's so amazing. Or so weird. Or good? I don't know. Interesting. It's interesting. But anyway, so I'm starving, so I am going to make that or use the chicken, or I got some more rolls, so I could possibly do that. I haven't fully decided yet. And I also got potatoes because I want mashed potatoes. That's the only thing I know for sure. That is literally what I'm making when I get home. As far as dinner, that's going to be different. Whether it be some chicken and vegetables or pork steak and vegetables, I haven't fully decided. But I know I'm having mashed potatoes when I got home. It's weird to just buy like a potato. Like, granted, it's huge, but to buy a potato and just one. But I would want to do that. I need to do that because I do not want a lot of potatoes, because potatoes are a weakness of mine. So, yeah. But as far as exercise, like I said, I'm not 100% sure. I am feeling really, really stiff, and I think that is... kind of think it's because I haven't been doing yoga for the past few days. And the yoga really loosens things up, but it kind of makes me nervous that, am I really getting extra tight because I haven't been doing it? Granted, also, it's probably not that, now that I think about it out loud. It's probably due to high levels of stress. Now at least it's getting to be good stress and exciting stress because of the things that I want to do at work. And, you know, I didn't realize how much I actually did miss the idea of managing. Like, towards the end of the last time I managed, it was just like all the negative aspects. But I'm at that point where it's exciting. One, because we do have a pretty good staff. I don't have to worry about discipline too much, or, you know, people not showing up to work and things like that. So now I can focus on creating games to motivate people, or like like I said, I'm going old school and totally painting the windows for advertising and stuff like that. So that's really, really fun to me. I'm thinking of ways to do that and things to just help the business. Like, that's really fun. We got some random bonus products in from our product supplier. Sometimes they just send us promos, and so I'm gonna create a raffle for customers, not where they buy, but just like put your name in, and we're gonna do a drawing and give them away. Like, and I think that's fun. It's been a while since we've had some fun in the salon besides just business, and I think that's life in general, because especially right now with COVID, with the state of the world, we kind of forget to have fun. We kind of forget to enjoy things. And I think that's very important in general, but also like while we're on a weight loss journey. I think because of so much negativity, or so much, maybe not even negative, but not joy. Like, so it's not necessarily horrible or bad or negative, but there's a lot of times where there's just not extra joy in life. And at least my life this year, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like it's pretty common with the way the world is this year. So we've got to stop and take those moments. I've mentioned several times, like say with the weight loss journey, celebrating the non-scale victories and finding reasons to stay motivated and stay happy and stay, on track and on plan. I think, taking it to another level and just finding... Are you moving? No? Okay, sorry. There's an Amazon truck that looked like it was trying to move. It still might. Yeah, no, there it goes. But finding moments and ways to enjoy yourself, enjoy your life, enjoy the journey you're on. That's why, I love that I discovered yoga, and the fact that I do like yoga, because I don't love any exercise. I kind of hate exercise, any form of it, especially cardio. Oh, sorry, my hand's while I'm trying to turn the wheel. Especially cardio, I do not enjoy that at all. So to have something that I'm I kind of enjoy it. It's hard, it's challenging, I'm sore afterwards, but to enjoy it, that's huge, because Robert doesn't enjoy moving. Robert enjoys sitting still, watching TV, or playing video games. I don't know. It's just kind of random thoughts going through my mind right now. But basically, the message for today is find joy where you can, and that will make everything so much easier. And I'm going to end it here because there's a lot of people walking around, because it's 70 degrees outside. So a lot of people walking around me in my neighborhood. So yeah, maybe that'll be my activity. Maybe I'll join them. Not actually, I'm not going to go breathe next to strangers during COVID, but you know what I mean. Go on a walk. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.